Hey besties, welcome back to Queen Jasmine's Kitchen. If this is your first time here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because you don't want to miss out on all the deliciousness we cook up. Today we are making a thick, slimy, and absolute delicious combo, okra and Ogbono soup. This soup is rich, flavorful, and perfect for swallowing with fufu, eba, or pounded yam. Trust me, your taste buds are in for a treat. So grab your ingredients, tie your apron, and let's get cooking. Let's check out our ingredients. We're making use of our roasted chicken, seasoning cubes and salt, palm oil, abanaro pepper, fresh ice fish, Utazi leaf, very flavorful for this soup, and the star of the show, our blended Ogbono, crayfish, and our Ogili, and our beautifully grated fresh okra. Then our cow skin, popularly known as pomo. First, place a pot on the fire and pour in your cow skin. Add your seasoning cube and salt. Then allow it to cook for 10 minutes until it starts to soften. And then pour in your grounded Ogbono mix into the plate of palm oil and mix it up by stirring. So after about 10 minutes, my omo is ready. So I'm adding in my roasted chicken and I'll leave it to come to a boil for about 4 minutes. After about 4 minutes, I'm going to place my clean Ogbono mix plate into the pot of boiling protein. This method is absolutely superb, a special technique taught to me by my mom. May God bless her soul. Amen. Now I'm going to close my pot and let it cook for about 3 minutes. After that, you will notice that the lumps in the ogbono are gone and the mixture will be smooth. That's when you know it is ready to use. So carefully take out your plate and pour in your ogbono mix into your pot. Next, add your abanaro pepper and leave it to boil for 4 minutes on low medium heat. Do not cover your pot as you want the ogbono to stay slimy and perfect. Next, I'm adding 1 cup of water to loosen the thickness of the soup, and I will let it boil for 2 more minutes. You can already see how beautiful and slimy my soup is turning out. After 2 minutes, I'm adding my okra and I'm going to stir to mix properly. Then I'm going to add in my fresh fish. Stir gently with your spoon and make sure not to reach the bottom of the pot to avoid burning while stirring. So finally, I'm adding my Utazi leaf. At this point, taste for salt and let it cook for 4 minutes. The aroma coming from this soup has now engulfed the whole house and its surrounding.